Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the battery capacity on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search GCPU. Now from here, just download this app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on the done icon. Now from here, if you tap on battery, now from here, if you scroll down, you can see the battery capacity of your Poco C75 is 5160 mAh. Now from here, you can check the battery charge level of your smartphone, and also you can check the battery health of your smartphone. And this is how you can check the battery capacity of the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.